Plateau State, Nigeria is widely known for its production, distribution of vegetables across our country and other countries. These vegetables include carrots, lettuce, cabbage, and so on. The problem farmers face and distributors face in Plateau State is that the vegetables have high moisture content and tend to spoil faster. Example, cabbage. A lot of these vegetables are being transported, and before reaching its destination, some might get damaged and end up as a waste. So how can we tackle this problem of spoilage and wastage?
In Black State Nigeria, the major problem facing farmers and other food distributors is the rate of spoilage of food items produced. This spoilage have led to farmers of different kinds to run at loss due to selling the crops which they produce at a much cheaper rate, and at the end of the farming season they tend to lose. Now, what is the possible solution? As we as young scientists, we have thought, reason to it that what are the possible solutions to this problem since it has been noticed. Now, the reason to this spoilage is that there are unavailable storage facilities and processing techniques for this food crop which are produced. Now, we well know that vegetables are the most produced crop in this part of the nation. So therefore, if cold rooms can be constructed at different locations in this state, whereby these crops out from the farm they can be taken to these cold rooms where they can be preserved to maintain their freshness. So that in other words, they will be present in and out of season. Spoilage due to transportation to destination. Now, if refrigerated vans can be used to transport these vegetables, then still yet they can maintain their freshness until they reach their destination. Now, other processing techniques can be used whereby these vegetables or fruits can be dehydrated. For example, carrots, green beans, cabbage, and so many of them, they can be dehydrated to remove their moisture, thereby leaving the dry mass. This dry form can have a higher shelf life compared to the wet form. Other techniques for preservation or processing can be used. For example, the fruits can be used immediately to produce fruit juice. The vegetables can be used to produce vegetable juice. For example, cabbage can be processed to cabbage juice scientifically, which can be used to cure mushroom poisoning. For if factories can be built around this vicinity, whereby juices can be produced and processed factories, then the rate of spoilage and wastage of food items can be reduced.
Even with these preservation techniques in place, cabbage spoilage and wastage is still somewhat inevitable. How then can we transform this waste into more useful forms? As students of biochemistry, we sought to find a solution within our field of study. Now, enzymes are biological catalysts that are produced by living cells in order to accelerate the rate of biochemical reactions. But however, these enzymes can be isolated from the cells in which they are produced and used to catalyze a wide range of commercially important reactions. Cabbages have been known to possess a wide number of enzymes, and one of notable importance is the peroxidase. Now, peroxidase is one of the fastest growing enzymes in the world in terms of its demand, and it has a number of applications which include bioremediation, dye decolorization, among so many others. Fresh cabbages have been reported to possess high activity of the enzyme peroxidase. However, the use of fresh cabbage as a source of peroxidase may be limited due to the fact that it poses a threat on food security issues. In view of this, cabbage wastes were obtained and analyzed for the enzyme peroxidase, and the results obtained indicated that cabbage waste contained high activity of this enzyme. Therefore, this cabbage waste could alternatively serve as a source of peroxidase for various industrial applications.
If this solution profile are put in place, wastage and spoilage of cabbage as well as other vegetables can be minimized, thereby reducing food loss and food waste and ensuring safety in all along production chain. Thank you.